You take refrigeration and air conditioner specialist. Today guys, we are here. The problem is this air conditioner doesn't cooling properly. So what I did right now, I switch it on and then let me drop the temperature so that it can kick on the outdoor. Okay, now I set it on 16 degrees. So let's go outside and see how things works. Okay, now we are here outside. So now the outdoor is running, and then this is 410 gas, and then you can see the pressure now is almost 0 psi. So the pressure is not enough in the system, because you can see it here. So what we are going to do, we just want to add the gas to the system. Right now I'm adding the gas. The running pressure is supposed to be 110 psi. So we are adding the gas right now. We are adding the gas to the system. You can see the psi now. We are adding the gas. We are adding the gas. It's supposed to be 110 running pressure. Running pressure is supposed to be 110.